Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 8 December 2024. Title of Murli. At the present time, you have to now reveal your merciful and bestow form. Bap Dada said, day by day, time is coming to an end. All souls are looking for some support or the other. You children are the ones who fulfill the desires of every soul and are instruments to give support to everyone. The eternal form of you Brahman souls is also filled with the sanskars of being a donor. This is why you are shown in the roots of the Kalpavriksha in the picture. Your worthy of worship form in the middle is also the one who gives blessings to everyone. And now, at the confluence age, you also become the carriers of the Supreme Soul's message. Further Baba said, now, every Brahman should check whether the sanskars of being an eternal and original donor are always in an emerged form in our lives. Those who always remain donors receive the fruit of that virtue in the form of cooperation and success at the right time. By giving happiness to a weak soul through your words or by bringing a troubled soul into glory and giving him encouragement, you can accumulate a lot of virtues in your account through this method. Service through the mind also accumulates virtues in your account. You accumulate so much virtue in just this one birth that you reap the fruit of this virtue for half a cycle. Finally, Baba said, there is a lot of power in the determination of Brahmans. If you want, you can do anything, just make yoga in the form of flame. Because by getting the flame eye light, other souls will see the clear path. Then they will automatically come towards you. Blessing for today. May you be a constant yogi and a karma yogi, and thereby make your every thought, word and action elevated. Details are: every act of a karma yogi soul is yogyukt and yuktyukt. If any action of yours is not yuktyukt, you can then understand that you are not yogyukt. If your actions are ordinary or wasteful, you cannot be said to be a constant yogi. A karma yogi is someone whose every thought and word are constantly elevated at every second. A sign of elevated actions is that you yourself would be content and others too would be content. Only such souls can be constant yogis. Slogan is: a soul who is loved by himself, loved by people, and loved by God is said to be a blessed image. Om Shanti.